In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to delete or leave FPL league. Let's get started. Whether you joined the wrong mini league or want to remove a league you created, here's exactly how to do it. Launch your Fantasy Premier League app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Fantasy tab. Scrolling down, you're going to find this section, Leagues and Cups. Here you'll see a list of all the leagues you are currently part of. Find the league you want to leave and tap on it to open its details. If you're just a participant, you'll see an option at the bottom that says Leave League. Tap on it, confirm, and you are out of that league instantly. If you are the creator of league, it works little differently. FPL does not allow admins to leave their own league unless all the members leave first. So if you want to delete a league you have created, ask all the participants to leave. Once the league is empty, it will either disappear automatically or show you the delete option in the app. Please note, you cannot leave public leagues such as Global League, Country League, or Favorite Club League. These are automatic and tied to your FPL account. And that's it. That's how you leave or delete a Fantasy Premier League. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.